I'm Jasmine Imani, and I'm a lash and brow expert, owner of Imani Imani Studio. I was in fashion for over 20 years as a creative director, buyer, and I personally got bored of fashion and wanted to challenge myself with something different. With my fashion background, I'm very particular. We're known for lashes and brows, so lash lifting, brow shaping, brow tinting. We keep everything pretty natural, not too far off from how you already look. We like to enhance things. We're also very big on growth, focusing on lash growth, brow growth, how do you maintain all those things. There's usually something skipped within these spaces. It's probably 2 years now we've been on Mangomint. I'm very techie, and so I had found in a lot of back-end systems, there wasn't enough for me to keep up with client retention, reporting, tracking their growth. I am a lash and brow space where we record your tint records, we track your growth for you, and I only found those kind of things in med spa focus platforms. I kept asking for more things, and then I started going around interviewing other booking platforms. I even tried and I gave it about a couple months and it still didn't have all the bells and whistles. I felt like Mangomint truly meant what they said, how they were developing things, and I could see they were going to continue to add on things. I've connected a lot of third-party platforms in the past to do and trigger the things I need. And then with Mangomint now, a lot of those platforms are gone. I want to say all of them are actually gone now because I've been able to really streamline within Mangomint. When I first started, people were texting my cell phone. It's actually one of the things I like about Mangomint. That excited me that it was all streamlined on one platform, especially I was hiring at the time, so I knew my front desk person would be able to handle it. I knew a new artist would be able to handle it. I was really excited that all communication would be streamlined. Even with emails, it's nice to have everything going through one thing. I just started with flows. People get emails right after for their aftercare. They get a check-in at 5 weeks and they get a reminder at 6 weeks to come back in. Right now, I have a first-time client that you guys had a template in for like $10 off after your first time. I've been using those. People reply back and they're like, oh, thank you. So I'm like, that's cute. I also have membership. So once someone's been in here 3 times, they get a text letting them know, you could be saving some money if you're a member. So we have a brow lift membership, a brow shape membership, and a keratin lash lift membership. You get charged every 5 weeks at a discounted rate. We do it through newsletter, so email, and then word of mouth. So like when someone's in here, we'll mention it as well. Like you should probably be on a membership. Mangomint gets that. One of my best employees.